55 minutes, man.
55 minutes. What's happening, YouTube? The day has finally arrived. 18th of June, Thursday the 18th of June. Me and G are hitting up the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. So G thought he'd get the Dodge Charger for us.
You get insurance for the rear tires on this?
Oh alright, we've got insurance, don't worry about that.
Just need it for the rear tires, lad.
So yeah, I'll hit this up with a wee time lapse or something here. We'll probably go to Tim Hortons and stuff actually on the way. You know, all good road trips start with a Tim Hortons. What?
For your next vlog.
Yeah? I'll just get the classic bagel with egg and cheese, please, Dan.
Breakfast sandwich on a bagel. Do you know which bagel? What was the name there?
The classic bagel. Coffee's on board, Jake.
That's it.
Ready to rock. By the way, I also forgot to mention that me and G are actually going to a hike. So there's two hikes up at Lake Louise. One's called Little Beehive, and the other one's called Big Beehive. We're pretty unsure what the conditions are like up there because Lake Louise is more elevated than Banff, so there's always more snow. So we're just going to hike and hopefully we'll get at the very least the little one done, and if not we'll push on, we'll do the big one if it's possible. So yeah, that's why we're in all our hiking gear. So we'll do a wee hike for now. I'm going to hit this up with a wee time lapse. I've been getting good feedback with the time lapses, so I hope you're enjoying them. Of course I'll stick a wee tune in the background, so enjoy. Up ahead, once this van goes, that's it in the yellow. This is us just driving up to the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. We're gonna get stopped by this gentleman.
Hi, how's it going?
Well,
That's good. Yep, we're checking in.
What's the last name?
Doyle, D-O-Y-L-E.
Right, I'll let you go ahead. Just go right to the front door.
Yep.
I'll have someone meet you right there.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Have a nice day now.
Yeah, you indeed. You indeed.
So that was a bit more simple than Jasper, but maybe we'll get hit with all the wellness checks and stuff up the front door. But as you can see, pretty cool building.
The other side's where it's at.
The lake is just over the other side. Don't worry, you'll be getting plenty of shots of that lake soon. Bit of construction going on. Everywhere's got construction going on here at the minute because there's not many people about. But here we are driving right up to the front door, front and centre, G. So we're just walking in here to the main lobby of the hotel.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we're just walking to our room here. We're in room 255. I think G finessed a lakeview room, so we're about to find out. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Oh, look at that. That's Lake Louise. That is stunning, isn't it? So we're going to do a hike now. The hike's actually up this way.
Just up there, you see it
Up
there?
here, yeah. But yeah, I'll just show you the room really quickly here. Big massive king size bed. Just take a wee look in the bathroom here. Much of these normally a night? About 500 or 600. This is what, about 600 to get you a night.
Fairmont rooms are shy, it's just the
Yeah, the rooms are never the best in the Fairmont,
but
but
it's just like iconic properties and like the views.
that's it. Wow. Unreal. So we're just setting off here on our hike, walking by the world famous Lake Louise. Gee, looking cool in his sunglasses, fresh cut, G.
That's it, you know.
Looking
that.
sharp. And then there's the Fairmont there. We're staying in one of them rooms up there on the second floor. But I've been informed by one of the girls inside that you can do both the little Beehive Hike and the big Beehive Hike. So we'll do both of them. Trailhead's just over here. And off we go. Just a quick stop to stick on some sun cream, but look the colour of that water. You don't get that colour many other places in the world. That's like a crazy blue. Starting to get a bit treacherous here, a bit snowy, as you can see. But we've got good boots on. Should be okay. So this is called Mirror Lake. It's just kind of halfway up the hike.
So I'm thinking
Just a nice wee lake up in the mountains. Very quick geography lesson here about Ireland. Basically Ireland's split into 32 counties. And we're from a county called Antrim in the northeast of Ireland. And G's actually representing the jersey here. Up at Saffron's. Oh, it's a spiky one. It's weird, isn't it?
You need to stop getting me out of breath. Here,
There's the Fairmont down there. G's lighting his feet there, isn't he? I'm not 100% sure, but can you see the way all the trees are kind of pushing forward here? And see like that there trees forward? My guess is that an avalanche came down this way and knocked all the trees. Pretty cool. Hopefully no avalanches today. G just went in an Narnia there.
minutes, man.
55 minutes. What about that for a view? There's the Fairmont down there. There's the lake. So this is Little Beehive we're at the top of now. We're going to push on. There's one called Lake Agnes, I think. And it's pretty good views as well, but we're just going to take a wee minute to chill out here. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the view. I tell you what, me and G take over everyone on the way up from a hike and take over everyone back again on the way down from a hike.
I'm like a wee 90s Honda Civic. Don't look like much, but go like stink and I'll run for days. See if the Civic has four-wheel drive. Like a mountain goat here. Don't call me the goat for nothing.
This is extreme. We can catch Bear Grylls at this. Woo! So this here lake is called Lake Agnes, and I can't mention Lake Agnes without saying up the Aggies.
Here, get the revs up. You got a big hook.
Look at that there, wee bit of nitrous in them. No, it's a pretty cool feeling, like being here in a t-shirt and shorts and the sun hitting you and you being absolutely roasting, but then just all snow and ice all around you. I don't know, it's just something I never really thought about before coming out here. Never really experienced it before, and it's pretty cool. So if you want to experience it, get yourself out here. No, just missed G going clean on his hoop there. Here's a wee shot of that, G. I'd say I'm Honda Civics for you. Oh, here we go, G.
You need to get limes this time, look.
Couple of ice cold Coronas waiting for us. There she blows. The gaff of the night. And look at that, look at the colour of that. Oh, here, will we get a wee boat, G?
Well, I think so, lad.
Couple of Coronas out in the lake.
Can't see why not.
Wow, this is it. Look here, and what about that day?
Unreal.
I'm not even joking. They were calling for rain all week. Me and G just show up and the sun just shines out of the heavens. That's what happens. Every time we go somewhere, it's always sunny. Me and G are just heading down here to the canoe docks. There's these here canoes you can rent out, and when you stay in the Chateau Lake Louise, you actually get a free hour.
I think that's staff, maybe.
Oh, okay. Oh, because we're staff, well, because G's staff, I'm ex-staff, we get a free hour on the lake, so pretty sweet. I'm sure it costs a small fortune to get a canoe out here, so the fact we're getting it for free is a good win for the croc team. Bit of a graduation ceremony going on here. Oh, she broke her leg. Throw the hat up in the air. Hey! Oh, look at that! Class! Well done, woo! So there you are. An hour actually costs $65, and that's the early season price. So me and G are getting it for free. Happy days.
How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good. So my name's Gracie. I'm going to help you get in the boat today. Have you guys canoed before?
Long time ago.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you very much.
problem.
See you soon. Hopefully. No problem. Anytime.
Enjoy. Ice cold.
You need a beer for a place like this.
Right? Make it memorable.
Yeah, that's it. Turning moments into memories.
Oh, you enjoy that?
Yeah, we will. Definitely remember you for that.
No problem.
Have a good one. This is pretty magical right now. There's home for the night.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. I seen it in a documentary on BBC Two.
Yeah. And if you made it this far and you want to see more of this, don't forget, like and subscribe. Yeah, sure. The view's just as good in the room as outside, isn't it?
Why not?
Good plenty. Just wishing for an expedition. I'm straight up.
So we got bored of the hotel room, so we thought we'd just come out and maybe have a beer outside. Look at that. Look at that. I'm glad we did come out of that hotel room. Jeez, we were getting locked up in that hotel room. Look at this.
State of mind is futile. Paddles ball, come on and stay a while.
Oh, look at this here. So we just got our food.
Calamari.
What's this?
Calamari.
Calamari.
Duck wings.
Duck wings.
Fillet steak.
Fillet steak.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Don't even show ourselves off. We're living the dream.
We're living the dream. Just woke up there after a serious night. Feeling seriously rough. Need to go down. Get a big Fairmont breakfast in this. Make us feel better. But one thing it did make us feel better. Have we looked at that view out the bedroom window? Boom. That'll sort your hangover out. Thank you.